Greetings everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to design a slender bar in COMSOL, export it and slice it in the software PreForm for 3D printing using stereolithography. We begin with building a model in COMSOL, again in 3-dimensional space as explained in the tutorial 1. To construct a cylinder bar, I go to the tab Geometry, right click on it and select the option Cylinder. Once this window appears, you can enter the dimensions of your cylinder here. And then build all objects. The next step is to export this geometry, and we can do that by right clicking on the tab Geometry. Make sure to export an STL file. You can export the file by clicking on the button Export. Once you have an STL file, you can drag and drop it in the software PreForm. Ensure to move it away from the edges of the printing bed to ensure easy printing. The next step is to provide supports to this geometry. To do that, go to this tab Supports. Either you can auto-generate the supports or you can edit the settings to generate the supports as per your requirements. For now, I'll use the function auto-generate. And you can see that the supports are being generated here. You can edit the settings like touch point size of the supports or the density of the supports. Here 1 means 100% density. You can edit it as per your requirements. Further, you can also edit the number of supports that you want, and then you can define the points where you want the support to be. For now, I'll just define some random points and apply the settings. You can see that the new supports are being generated for the geometry. And finally, upload the print to the printer.